have a discussion on a topic. The topic is mobile phone is useful or harmful. So I think mobile phone is harmful for us because in this time many people use mobile phone for their entertainment, but they don't know that is very harmful for them because if they use phone for their entertainment, they learn many bad things.
That's right, but in this time, the phone is very important for us in any situation. Whenever we go somewhere and we need something, whenever someone say that where are you going or something, and think about what we do in this time, they call us and then they mean to interact with us and.
You mean we can join with another?
Ah.
Do you know someone join with our relatives, friends, but they are going to fall away with their family members, and mobile is very big reason of this.
That's the point, but in this time the phone is very important for us. We need something, or whenever the students do practical or something, in the past we don't have a phone, that we can't do perfectly the project or something. In this time we have a phone, we take a phone and do our projects or assignments or something very easily. In this time the phone is very easy for us to contract with others or something. We need something, complete our project or something.
Do you know, for complete our project, there is many types of books. We can buy that book and then complete our project.
Whenever you buy the books, you spend a lots of money or something. Whenever we have a phone, we used it and then complete our project or something.
Do you know about banking frauds? That is also on top.
We know about it, but in the mobile phone we know about the Truecaller or something. There are lots of aids secure us and interact us, and there are lots of apps we know about it. The phone has lots of apps whose security is first for us.
But in this generation everybody is very greedy, and if someone call them and say I send you an OTP, if you send me that OTP I give you money, and many people do that work.
But you know that the phone has lots of apps who alert the people this number was the spam number or something. You know about
sometimes that app are also wrong.
Yeah, sometimes, but literally not just every time they were wrong. The apps were always not wrong.
Even though, and what's your opinion about online shoppings?
My opinion, it's very easy. Whenever you are in your home, you buy something what you want in 3 days, 2 days. In this time, Amazon give us a in 1 hour.
But you can't buy anything quickly.
Yeah, buy Blinkit. There are lots of apps you know about it, Blinkit or something. There are 10 minutes delivery apps.
But sometimes if you buy anything, that product come to you, that quality was very bad.
Whenever the quality is very bad, you return it in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 days.
But if you buy anything by market, you can buy that product on your wish.
That was not a reason. We also buy the products in mobile phone. We select, we scroll it and find which one is better for us. The size, the reviews the people give them in the phone. We saw it and then we select the dress.
You don't know, once I buy a sari with online, then when that sari come to me, that quality was very bad.
It's your fault, not our or mobile phone fault.
I'm not saying that is your fault or mobile, but many times this happened that you buy any product, that product come to us very bad, and sometimes this happen, you buy a very casual thing like mobile phone.
Whenever
when that phone come to you, sometimes they fraud us.
Yes, whenever it's happened with you, you complain with the manager, you contact with the Meesho. Whenever
sometimes manager are also frauds. They also do frauds.
Whenever all apps are fraud or something, the apps were banned in India or something. Whenever you saw that there are lots of apps in mobile phone, they were banned because of some reason, because they interact the children, they distract the children. They were banned in the India and also other countries. The TikTok, about that was the only, not that the app TikTok that was banned in India. In China, they were happen.
Do you know in this time many parents they give phone their children's, and do you know why when they use phone a lot, that's effect on their mind.
Yes, it's also effect, but in this generation the children were interested in their phone because of there are lots of game to entertainment.
That is very bad for their. If they want to entertain themselves, they go outside and play many types of games, because in old time there is no phone. Everybody do their entertainment for do
Game.
any homeworks and go outside and play and take fresh airs.
In the
But
phone,
now this generation, everybody use phone for their entertainment, and they don't know if they use phone, the phone effect on their eyes, and they are going to catch many type of disease.
the phone has only also the limit of time. Whenever you take the time, the phone alerts you. It's happen. It's whenever I use phone YouTube also in after the 12 a.m. Phone alerts me. YouTube alerts me. You use so many times of YouTube.
No, you are wrong. But even though everybody use phone, suppose you are using YouTube, and then YouTube alert you that you should take a break, even though that person use phone, because in this time everybody have a phone.
Yeah, everybody have a phone. That is that choice what they want to do. But phone has so many sources to become to need something which in studies or something we achieve lots of things. We interact with each other fastly, quickly. We mail something with officers or something. We do all of things in fastly in few minutes. We do it.
If you want to do study, you can do offline studies.
I can also do online studies.
I have also do. Do you know if anybody do online class? You know that online classes a long of time. That is that's a long of time. And if you do online classes a long of times, you can catch neck pain. And if you use phone with distance of far away, even though you catch
Lots of
you have need of bend, then when you bend, then you catch rest pain.
Yeah, I know about it. It's also not that the point we rest or something. There are lots of apps, you know, about the physics wala or LN or something. There are lots of students. There are thousands, and I don't know about it. There are lots of students studying phones because of they need it. They know about they know about the benefits of the phone. They know about the benefit of the study or something. That was not reason about the phone. That was the reason
And
the people can't use phone clearly, or that they can't do anything about the phone. They always blame about the phone was wrong. The phone was not bad for us. The people who can't understand why the phone is useful or not.
do you know mobile phone is very big reason of happen an accident? Because if anybody drive a car or bike,
They
then
were the
they use mobile phone, and
that was the not reason. The Mumbai, there are lots of accident having. That's not because of phone or something. They were
even though mobile phone is very big reason.
the mobile is the reason, but that was their choice. How can they do? They were the people were follow the traffic rules or something. Whenever they do, the accident will never happen with us, with them.